Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have iPad 30R and I want to show you how manage your Google passwords and your password which your device remember. Open your settings application. In it, look for your passwords selection, and there you have all passwords which our device remember, maybe to our Facebook account. To manage it, click on it, and there, when you use this icon, we can share this password to someone. When we choose edit, we can edit our username passwords on our group where our password access have. There we can add note to our password. There we have some option as set up verification code on changing passwords on website, and there we have from which website is this password is. You can also delete all by tap on delete and confirm by delete passwords. Remember, when you change something, press done. And that's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.